how to travel anywhere as a video editor. So I'm actually right now in Dubai. I traveled here. I live here since 3.5 years, and all of this just could happen because I decided to be a video editor, which is earning high paying, because I focus on high paying clients. And in this video I'm literally giving everything away so you can fly to Saint-Tropez, for example. I was last week in Saint-Tropez. Tomorrow I'm just flying towards Germany. 2-3 weeks ago I was in Poland, and again I was in Germany. So I'm flying all the time towards Europe, towards Asia, and I was in a lot of countries just because I choose the right job. I just focus on the right things as a video editor. So video editing is actually paying for all of this. So the first thing to focus on is obviously to get high ticket sales. I have a free video, first link in the description, explaining exactly how to get to $10,000 per month. But the most important thing to understand is you should have an outbound system which books your automatically sales calls into your calendar from the right clients, and this automatically with AI, which we teach actually in our program. First link in the description. And so when you have a lot of work to do for your clients, you still get more and more clients, and you can actually hire video editors. When your outbound system is automated, then you should have a very clear understanding of how to close these deals on a sales call. And all of this obviously you can do from wherever you want. So I can just take my laptop with me to Germany, so now the light just switched off. I can just take my laptop wherever I want, and I can make sales from wherever I want. So it doesn't matter where I am, I can make money wherever I want. Another way is to focus on the right clients. So I have actually clients which have projects in Saint-Tropez and in Germany and in some other countries where we flew, and they actually took me there because I was filming the whole part as well, and they paid for all of it. So they paid actually for my flights, they paid for the hotels and everything. So when you focus on the right clientele, if you focus on the right niche, and you can just do all of this, then they will pay for everything, and you will have this life actually for free. So you don't need to edit a lot of videos and pay for your own flights. You can actually live this life, do amazing work with high ticket clients, with high paying clients, and they pay for everything, which is completely amazing. So again, if you are not there where you want to be, you want to travel the world, and you literally want to be free, you just want to take your laptop into another country, you want to make money online and just be free, travel the world, then you should check out the first link in the description, where we actually teach exactly this, to get high ticket clients so you can do whatever you want. You can travel the world and build your video agency, you can build your editing agency. If you found this valuable, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.